Good morning, students. Today we start the topic that is the silent features of kingdom. So, which are the kingdoms and in which kingdoms what is contained? So, there is a by the scientist R.H. Whittaker. He proposed some kingdoms for animal, for fungi, for bacteria, for protista also is there. So, as kingdom Monera, kingdom protista, kingdom plantae, kingdom fungi, and kingdom animae. So, today we discuss about the topic that is kingdom Monera. This is the first kingdom of bacteria, which is consist of. Get it? So, it contains the unicellular organisms. Unicellular means one. Uni means single. It contains unicellular organizations having in prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic means they are taking their food synthesis. वो खुद का खाना खुद बनाते हैं. Well, if you, I'm telling you after some time. So, the Monera includes prokaryotic unicellular organizations. They do not have well-defined nucleus because the nucleus है इतना defined नहीं रहता है. And they are found in all types of environmental conditions. Any environmental conditions. The other bacteria which are not present in all living types of environment, but the unicellular prokaryotic organizations which are found in all types of environmental conditions, whether winter, whether summer, whether rainy season. Get it? Now, few are phototrophs and few are heterotrophs in nature. Phototroph means they are sensible to science, photosynthetic during direct sunlight. Get it? So these, well, they don't have the well-defined nucleuses there. They contains a DNA, which is a simple DNA. Simple double-stranded DNA. Simple double-stranded DNA, which contains the number of chromosomes, which is known as nucleotides. And inside this, the smaller molecules of DNA which contain the extra chromosomes, known as plasmid. They are known as plasmid. Get it? Now, there is a presence of cell wall. They contain the cell wall, and the cell wall is made up of your peptidoglycan. The cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan, which is the combination of sugar and amino acid. जो पेप्टिडोग्लाइकन वॉल है वो किससे बनी है? शुगर एंड अमीनो एसिड. सिंपल. नाउ देयर आर सम बैक्टीरिया व्हिच आर बाइंड. बैक्टीरिया आर योर प्रोटोप्लास्ट, एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम एंड योर माइटोकॉन्ड्रिया. एंड दिस यूनिसेलुलर प्रोकैरियोटिक ऑर्गेनिज्म यूनि में सिंगल है, ओनली सिंगल पैटर्न. सो ही विल प्रोड्यूस द असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन. उसका रिप्रोडक्शन कैसे करता है? असेक्सुअली, with the help of binary fission and budding fission. So, वो तो सिंगल है, असेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन कर रहा है. So morphologically there are some bacteria. There are some types. Bacteria are your spherical coccus shapes. You can see here on your book given spherical coccus, spherical bacillus, kidney shaped bacteria. And on the basis of evolution, it gets classified in two ways. One is your Archaebacteria, another is your Eubacteria. On the basis of evolution, let's see Archaebacteria. What it contains. So Archaebacteria, these are differentiated from the other microorganisms on the basis of cellular features. These bacteria are mostly found in extreme conditions, so that they are known as extremophilic. They found in a wide variety of environmental conditions, like your salty lakes. If you know, there is a salt lake at Lonar, खारे पानी के सरोवर. Salty lakes, hot spring, hot area, and the what can I say? Here, what is there? It is your volcanic craters. Means ऐसे पहाड़ पट्टी, उबड़-धुबड़. Get it? So they are present on that, and they are They are also what can I say? Survive. So they denote their capacity of surviving in all types of different conditions. So some of the bacteria, some of the organisms which are living in salty area, they are known as halophilics. Halo means your salinic area, means salty. Some of the bacteria which are you can say capable to survive in hot conditions, that is thermal conditions, whether the temperature is more, so they are known as thermophilics. Example is your coccus, cucullus, vibrio, and bacillus. And some plants and some animals which are present on the cow and the buffalo, they are also take in that. Get it? Second is your eubacteria. These are very commonly, and these are even you can say a true bacteria. जो eubacteria commonly है true bacteria which contain the cell wall. Which cell wall? Peptidoglycan, which is made of sugar and amino acid. It contains two, autotrophs and heterotrophs. Auto means self, heterotroph means a different. So autotrophs, the autotrophs which they are making their food with the help of sun, with the help of photosynthetic process. वो अपना खाना कैसे बनाते हैं? फोटोसिंथेटिक प्रोसेस. एग्जांपल इज योर क्लोरोब्रियम. This is the bacteria which makes food with the help of photosynthetic. These are multicellular organisms. पहला ये कौन सा था? Unicellular, single. This is multicellular. Multi means more than one. So this is multicellular organisms which are found in fresh living water. जो fresh water रहता है, pure you can say, what can I say? Usable water, drinkable water. They are present in that. Then they contain the mucilaginous sheath outside their body. अब जैसे फिश रहते हैं, फिश के ऊपर कैसे वो छाले छाले रहते हैं. So like that mucilaginous sheath cover on their basis. They take the typical prokaryotic cell because they contain carotene and they are responsible for nitrogen fixation. So heterotrophs are most common type. What they did? They break the large molecule into small molecule. वो क्या करते हैं? लार्जर मॉलिक्यूल का स्मॉलर मॉलिक्यूल में ब्रेक डाउन करते हैं. कौन? यूबैक्टीरिया. दे कैन बी अनगरस. अनगरस मतलब ये है कि आप जैसे बोलते हो दूध का दही बनाना, दूधाचं दही बनवणं, सेम थिंग. सो वहाँ पे क्या करता है देखो बैक्टीरिया. व्हाट वी रिक्वायर? बैक्टीरिया. वैसे तो होता नहीं है. सो दिस टाइप ऑफ अनएरोबिक बैक्टीरिया व्हिच आर रिस्पांसिबल फॉर हियर व्हिच कैन बी यूज्ड हियर. Again there is a responsible for making of the antibiotic, that is streptomyces. Streptomyces which is used for your tuberculosis. जब TB होता है तो ये जो मेडिसिन है वो यूज होता है. So these bacteria which are also responsible for making the antibiotic, that is streptomyces, azobacter. But here are some drawbacks which ये जो बैक्टीरिया है these are also produce your typhoid, tuberculosis, tetanus and cholera. They are good but they are also bad in some cases. Next is your mycoplasma. Well, these are the smallest living forms. They do not have cell wall, they do not have well defined nucleus, and they are also found resistance to antibody due to absence of cell wall. सेल वॉल नहीं है इसी वजह से वो रेजिस्टेंस करते हैं. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट योर किंगडम मैनोरा. टुमारो वी सी किंगडम प्रोस्टिटा. थैंक यू सो मच. हैव अ नाइस डे.